KIWI Design, to most in the VR space, have become a well-known accessory brand for their well-reviewed head straps, battery packs and facial interfaces, but they're coming in with a new product, and it's my first big recommendation after complaining about how overpriced Meta's first-party offerings are. Now I do have to say this video is sponsored by KIWI Design, but my opinions are my own and I wouldn't partner with them if I didn't like the product. So with that out of the way, let's unbox the KIWI Design RGB vertical stand. That's right, this product has passed the Made for Meta certification too, which is a big deal in terms of third-party offerings, hitting a high bar of quality to earn that. In the box it comes in several pieces which you can easily slot together, it takes no time at all to build. It doesn't come with a power adapter, as you'll be using the adapter which came with the Quest headset. The USB-C mains power port is on the back. Now it is a wireless charger, but it doesn't use an inductive pad or the gold connectors on the Quest 3 headset. It uses this magnetic attachment which will fit the Quest 3's charging port at the perfect height and also save you damaging ports if you lift up the headset without disconnecting it. Now to be clear, it doesn't charge your controllers, but it does act as a handy storage stand for them, and honestly it looks pretty sleek and provides a tidy space for your headset and handsets, as well as headphones and potentially cables too. It uses a high quality circuit board for safe charging, and I personally have left my Quest 3 on charge overnight several times without issue so far. Now the clues in the name, where are those RGB lights? You got a glimpse in the beginning, but let's take a look at the fully kitted out stand. It really does look great, and it has a number of configurable lighting colours, with my favourite being a mixture of them all, and while I'm not the biggest RGB light fan, this is understated and does look cool in my office. You can also turn the lights off if it isn't your thing. So I do think this is a great alternative to the first party offering. Just remember that it only charges your headset and not the controllers, but I do think this feels like a high-end product. This doesn't feel cheap. It's compatible with the Quest 3, Quest 2 and even the Quest Pro. It has space at the back to rest whichever type of head strap you have without issue, and you can move the controller holders in a couple of different ways too, whichever you prefer. But I do really like the safe charging option, and it negates typical wired options with this magnetic solution. The small magnetic piece going into the headset for disconnect safety, which is a clever design in my opinion. It's very stable and has an optimized center of gravity with a well-engineered design, and the base has a nice heft to it. Overall, I think this is a solid third-party offering which meets the Made for Meta certification and is a high-quality alternative. So at the time of recording, you'll be able to order this for $79.99, but I'm told an introductory discount will be applied on release for a maximum price of $59.99, so they could make it even cheaper than that, which is a great deal in my opinion. All the details are in the description below and will be regularly updated, including links to buy the product. And if you find the Meta charging dock overpriced, I'd take a look at this instead.